Okay, so if you're looking at 591, you want to go to the map. So all you really need is that part there. Show you that, just copy, paste that in there. There we go. See, that's all the link you need to bring it up. That part there. Drop that in the description. So once you've got the page loaded, if you have the Google Translate extension for Chrome or Firefox or whatever you're using, you can just go right click, translate to English or whatever your language, and now it's a little bit simpler. So for Taichung, let's see, by county, by MRT, oh, that's a new option, interesting. We don't want Yunlin, we want Taichung, and let's say we're looking for places near Donghai. Let's say you're a student, so let's see, there's 6 there. Quite a lot. So the more you move around and zoom in, you'll see more and more results. I would suggest that you can do custom for this one. I would say 3,000 to 10,000. I don't know what your budget is. Oh, 10,000. 3,000 to 10,000 should find you stuff. Anything less than 3 and it's probably going to be a car park. So there's still tons and tons of results there. So use control and mouse wheel to zoom. That is all you need to do. Okie dokie.